Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In this video, I'm giving you another review of the district in Ohio that I've worked. I've worked in the Northern District of Ohio, and this is the second order that I received. This one comes from the Southern District. So if you are interested in working in the state of Ohio, working bankruptcy unclaimed funds, please stay tuned. Please note that I am not an attorney. This information is not indicated as legal advice. So this particular deal was 1940.38. That's the amount of the claim. 25% is what I asked for. 485.09 is what I get out of this deal. Now the Ohio State finder fee is actually 10%. So if this were a state fund where I got from a state ledger for unclaimed funds, I could only ask for 194. But because this is a federal case and the bankruptcy code does not mention finder fees, it's what you and the client are agreeing to, and you really kind of want to be fair, right? So we agreed 25% was fair. So basically, I apologize. Basically, this case was dismissed. It's from 2014. The funds have been sitting on this ledger since 2015. I filed the application. I found her on truepeoplesearch.com. The lead information was right on the funds locator. I filed this on March the 22nd. And again, it's right here, and then it says 1940.38, and then it says filed by my company. Now, I am listed as a creditor here because I didn't file for bankruptcy. So if you didn't file for bankruptcy, you don't work for the courts, you're not the judge, you're always going to be listed as a creditor here, just an FYI. So again, from filing from March the 22nd until April the 16th, that's when this order was basically uploaded. So that's what, less than a month, basically, turnaround time. So here's a closer look at the order. April the 15th is when it was signed by the judge. Judge's signature is here. Here's the court seal. This is the heading of the case. Case is from 2014. It's a Chapter 13 that was dismissed. And then basically it says the matter is before the court on the unclaimed application for unclaimed funds filed by Spring Solutions LLC on March 22nd, 2021. So basically here, it's just reiterating what's on the docket. And it says, it appears to the court that the application is well taken. Therefore, it is hereby ordered that the clerk of the court shall pay the unclaimed funds in the amount of 1940.38 to the order of Spring Solutions LLC at the following address. And there's my P.O. box. It does not say the client's name anywhere. This is the client's first name here. It does not say anywhere on here that. So I get paid directly. The turnaround time is quick. I didn't have to call any clerk or anybody to say, hey, what's going on with my case, like I had to do for Massachusetts. There's no deficiencies in my filing. There's no court hearing. Very easy to work in this district, similar to the Northern District of Ohio. These work pretty quick. The Western District of Missouri, that works quick. So I am finding that the Midwest is like 2 thumbs up for me. They're really quick in the turnaround time. And similar to the South is pretty quick too. The Northeast, they just drag their feet. So this is good to know. You know, if you're in the state of Ohio currently, you're like, can I do this to make a little extra money? Yes, you can. You can do this for sure. I've done it twice in this particular district, or state rather, and I'm in Maryland. So yes, you can do it. So keep in mind that the amounts of claims for bankruptcy unclaimed funds, as I mentioned before, are a lot less when you're doing, if you're doing coming from real estate. Anything attached to a home, because you're dealing with a mortgage, they're going to have higher amounts. Yes, there are homes and houses sold in bankruptcy, but you know, those particular funds are non-distributed, and a lot of them are probably a lot lower than you may get from, you know, a real estate unclaimed fund, or like tax overages or mortgage overages. So just an FYI, this is all about volume. You're going to have to do a lot more cases, or a few at a time, to make sure that the funds come. This particular deal that I got came faster. I have a few others, but they're not complete yet. So I'm waiting on the orders to come from those. So at any rate, 14 days after this particular order, so it'll be the end of the month, basically, when I get these funds. So not bad. I did ask for an EFT, or an electronic fund transfer. I'm waiting to see if that will come that way, or if they're just going to do a check. We'll see. But who makes $485, and I basically did 30 minutes worth of work, filling in the documents, getting it notarized, making copies, and sending it to the court. And it took the actual work time for this particular deal did not take me that long. It takes longer to skip trace and define, the leads, make a list, put everything down, and call. Like that part takes time because you're having to do the research part. But once you get that going and you do this step, the actual process does not take that long. I'm basically just waiting, right? So I hope that this is helpful. Hope that gives you more information. If you're interested in learning which course coincides with this particular process, this is in the $500 course. This is what I teach you again to get the money sent directly to you. This district is not like Massachusetts. It doesn't say in care of. The funds go directly to you. So I hope that is helpful. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in the $500 course, that link is in the description box. If you would like to email me, if you have any questions, springsolutionsllc@gmail.com. I do have my office line listed there. I would rather you not call me. Please email me because I run around with a 5-year-old and it's easier for me to pick up my phone and text you as opposed to call you when you have a 5-year-old competing for your attention. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.